Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I'll teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I'll keep you, Susie, busy. Make you head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I. Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd. Dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and Britain. Mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as black and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low, script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, topsails, isles. Exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, mica, war and far. One, anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, winged and mind. Scene, Melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Vicious, viscount, load and broad, toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation okay when you correct say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamour, and enamour rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Dough and row and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangour. Sows but foul, haunt but aunt, font, front, won't, want, grant and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first a finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Reel, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge, engage, marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dust, lost, post, and doth, cloth, loath. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual, but victual. Refer does not rhyme with defer. Pfeffer does, and zephyr, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George ate late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library. Heave and heaven. Rachel, ache, moustache. 11. We say hallowed, but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches. Wise, precise. Chalice, but police and lice. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple. Label, pebble, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm, chaise, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tour, brow and sucker, fall, gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, career, area. Psalm, Maria, but malaria. Use, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion. Sally with alley. Yeah, ye, I, a, way, and key. Say aver, but ever, fever, neither, leisure. Skein, deceiver, heron, granary. Canary, crevice and device, and eerie face, but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic, ass, glass, bass, large, but target, gin, give, virgin, ought, out, joust and scowl, scourging, ear, but earn and wear and tear do not rhyme with here but air. Seven's right, and so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew Stephen, monkey, donkey, turk and jerk, ask, grasp, wasp, and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche. Is a paling stout and spiky, won't make you lose your wits, writing gross and saying grits. It's a dark abyss and or tunnel, strewn with stones, stowed, solace, gunnel, Islington and Ive White. Housewife, verdict and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough, though, through, plough, or dough, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of a cup. My advice is to give up.